Let's talk car insurance. Car insurance isn't just about following the law. It's about protecting yourself, your assets, and your future. The minimum coverage might seem like enough, but one serious accident can leave you paying out of pocket for damages that exceed your limits. Let's talk about why not having the right amount of insurance can save you from financial disaster. The real cost of an accident, a serious crash, can drain your finances faster than you can think. In the U.S., motor vehicle accidents add up to nearly $1 trillion in losses every year, including medical bills, car repairs, and lost income. Imagine being stuck with a huge hospital bill because your insurance didn't cover enough. Imagine this scenario. You're driving home after a long day at work when you accidentally run a red light and crash into another person. The driver of the other vehicle suffers serious injuries and requires extensive medical treatment. You only have the minimum required insurance, which covers up to $15,000 in damages, but the other person's medical bills, lost wages, and car repairs are a total over $100,000. Since your insurance doesn't cover the full amount, the other driver decides to sue you personally for the remaining costs. Without enough coverage, you are now responsible for paying the difference out of pocket. The court rules in the other driver's favor, and your wages are garnished to cover the debt. You are also at risk of losing your savings and even your home because you didn't have enough insurance to protect yourself. This is why having higher liability limits or umbrella insurance can be a lifesaver. It prevents situations where one accident could lead to financial ruin. Protecting your assets. Did you know that about 1 in 7 drivers out there doesn't have car insurance at all? If one of them hits you, guess who has to pay the difference? Yep, you. And if your coverage isn't enough, your savings, your home, and your future earnings could be on the line. Affordable ways to increase coverage. People often think that extra coverage is expensive, but it doesn't have to be. While full coverage averages around $2,150 per year, the minimum can be as low as $241 per year. And for just a little extra, you can boost your limits or even add umbrella insurance so you're not financially stranded after an accident. Having the right auto insurance coverage is crucial for protecting yourself financially in case of an accident. Here are some key points to consider. Number 1, understanding coverage types. Liability insurance covers damages and injuries you cause to others. Most states require a minimum amount, but experts recommend at least $100,000 per person and $300,000 per accident for bodily injury liability. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage protects you if you're hit by a driver with little or no insurance. Since 1 in 7 drivers is uninsured, this coverage can be a lifesaver. Collision and comprehensive insurance covers damage to your own vehicle. Collision helps with accident-related damage, while comprehensive covers theft, vandalism, and natural disaster. Number 2, choosing the right limits. The minimum required by your state may not be enough to cover serious accidents. If your liability limits are too low, you could be personally responsible for the excess costs. Experts suggest $250,000 per person and $500,000 per accident for bodily injury liability if you have significant assets to protect. And 3, balancing cost and protection. While increasing coverage may raise your premium, it can save you thousands in the long run. Shopping around and bundling policies like home and auto can reduce your costs. Having the right car insurance isn't just about checking a box. It's about protecting everything you've worked for. A little extra coverage now can save you from major financial headaches later. Don't wait until it's too late. Make sure you're covered the right way.